Hello and welcome to another video. Kind of bored, so I'm making a tier list about chips. Not gonna waste much time, gonna get straight into it. Okay. So, let's see what we got here. I wouldn't consider myself a chip aficionado. How do you say that word? Well, how does that word go? Aficionado. Aficionado. I'm sure that's wrong. Aficionado. Aficionado, a person who is very knowledgeable and enthusiastic about an activity, subject, or pastime. Okay. Spent too much time on that than I wanted to, but wanted to make sure I was talking about the right word, and I'm glad that I was. And I spelled it right, except for the I used an E instead of an A, so that's a plus. Let's get right into it. Okay. So I guess I'll start at the top and just work my way down. This says, what is this? I can't really see it and I don't want to look in. I guess I'll zoom in. What does this say? Spicy quesadilla. I don't know that I've ever had those before, but I like Tostitos kinda alright. I'll put that as a C. I don't really like, I like more like authentic tortilla chips. So I'd probably put Tostitos at a C. I'm pretty sure this is these are like, they're super small and like the zooming in isn't like what I like. What is this? Sour cream. I don't think I've ever had those either, but they're Doritos. So I'm actually gonna put those at C as well. Some kind of Cheetos. It says I can kind of see that one. That's kind of good. Cheese and bacon. Oh, cheese and bacon. Haven't had those. Actually, not really a Cheeto fan, honestly. Hate me if you want. Not really a Cheeto fan. I'm also gonna put those in the C category. Barbecue chips. To me, barbecue are those, you can never go wrong with barbecue. I can have barbecue chips with any kind of meal. You could have, I mean, not any kind of meal, but with any kind of sandwich, I guess is what I mean. I could have barbecue chips with hot dogs, and I can hear people saying hot dogs aren't a sandwich. There's another debate for us to have but we'll save that for another day. I might actually do that, like do like a whole like video essay on why hot dogs are a sandwich. But anyway, barbecue chips, A. But what I was gonna say is not just hot dogs, but hamburgers, PB&J, ham, turkey sandwich, any kind of sandwich. I feel like barbecue chips would go well with that. Ruffles. I don't like ruffled chips. Period. Any kind of ruffled chips. But if I just had to get any, it would be the cheddar and sour cream kind. So I'm actually gonna put that at B. Pringles. This looks like original Pringles. I'm actually just gonna look in. I think that's original Pringles. I feel like original Pringles are just bland. I'm gonna put that in D. Combos. Are these those pretzel things? They are those pretzel things. Pretty sure those are good. I'm pretty sure I've had those at least once, but unfortunately, not even chips. Same for Cheez-Its. Love Cheez-Its, not even chips. Sour cream and onion. I am not a fan of any kind of sour cream and onion, so I'm going to go ahead and put those in the D, as well as these over here. Where are they? Both of those sour cream and onions both go in the D. Sorry about that if you disagree. Sorry. Combos, more combos, not even chips. Pretzels, not even chips. What is this? Are these like those pita chips? I've seen these in the stores, but I've never, they are pita chips. It says chips, so I can't put it in the not. I've never had these, but it says chips on it, so technically I can't put it in the not even chips category, but I will put it at D. Okay, Doritos, we already know that's going all the way to the top. Let me zoom out one more time, my bad. Yeah, Doritos, that's gonna go, we'll put Doritos at A. Yeah, I was about to put them up there, but I'm not gonna do that. But I am gonna put Bugles up there. I don't know what it is. It might even just be nostalgia, because I remember being very young and having Bugles. So That's probably why I put them in S, but I love Bugles. I could eat like a whole thing of Bugles in like one sitting. Frito Lays, we know that. We know exactly where that's going. And it's not up there. It's going in D. If you've... I saw a video. It was a Long Beach video. A Long Beach Griffey video. And like he was talking about chips in it. And like the very first sentence was Fritos. And I was like, this man then lost his mind. Talking about Fritos as an S rank chip. Spicy nacho, absolutely S. I love spicy nacho. The one thing, I feel like they're hard to find. Like most of the time when I go to the store, they're either out or like they just don't sell them. But yeah, I remember big fan of. Did I say spicy nacho? Because these are not spicy nacho. It's sweet chili or something like that. What is it? It's spicy sweet chili. So I said spicy nacho. That is incorrect. That's wrong. They're spicy sweet nacho Doritos, but they go S. Are these barbecue kettle cooked? No, they're not. So that's gonna go. We're gonna put that in B. Sun chips. I don't know whether I really like sun chips or that I've had them so much that I've developed like an immunity to disliking them. But we used to always, that used to be just about the only chip we would have in school for school lunches. It would be sun chips of some variety. But I honestly, I legitimately like sun chips. So I'm going to put those at A. Munchies. Are those munchies or are those munchos? I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Forgive me if it's not. It looks like popcorn. It's not popcorn, but I've never had those. So I'm going to put that at a C as well. What kind of Bugles are... I wish I would have saw it before I zoomed in. Those are original Bugles. Which Bugles are these up here? Nacho flavor. Original, I'll put those at B. Sorry, Funyun lovers. Not even chips. Combos, not even chips. Are these sour cream? They are. We know where those go. We know where those go. Are these sour cream? They are. We know where those go. Not even chips. Never had those, so I can't really judge those. I'll put these in C. Goldfish. Love goldfish. Big fan. Not chips though. More pretzels. Not chips. We got Cheeto Puffs. I slightly like Cheeto Puffs better than I like regular Cheetos, so I will put those in B. Barbecue, you know where those go. Put those up there. What kind of Doritos are these? Blue what? Blue what? Blue Dynamite? I think that's like a Japanese kind of, or Chinese. Forgive me if it's not. Don't even know what those are. So honestly, if I don't know what they are, then I'm sorry, but they're Doritos, so they got to at least go in A. You thought, what kind of Frito? I don't even care what kind those are. That's going in D. Lay's Classic. Not even chips. I'm sorry, bro. I do not like Lay's. Why would anybody buy? You might as well just honestly, like for real, like you ought to just like make your own chips. If you're gonna just buy classic regular Lay's, you might as well just make your own chips or make your own fries or something. I feel like what is the purpose of getting plain Lay's chips? What is the purpose? Because I don't know. Doritos Nacho Cheese. You already know that is an S rank chip. Let's zoom out one more time. That is an S rank chip. Is this pizza flavor? I'll put pizza at B. Again, don't know how those taste. They can't be that bad, but I don't know how they taste. French onion. If it wasn't French onion, I promise you it would be higher. But I'm gonna put that as a C rank chip. And Harvest Cheddar, like I said, in school, throughout school, elementary, middle school, high school, those were about some of the few chips that we ever had. They were all like sun chips, but I like them, so that's an S rank chip. So here's my tier list. Thanks for watching. If you want to, you can like or subscribe. or really what I like best is comments telling me other kind of videos I should do, other tier lists. Thanks for watching. Bye.